Your pyramid has disappeared again. That's okay. That is to be expected. Mm. Before you create your new loop, you need to learn about if statements. An if statement allows you to run a block of code only when a condition is met. So we have a syntax here, an if, and a condition, an open, and the body and the closing of the code block of an if. So it says we have to create an if statement with the boolean true as the condition. In the body, print the string condition is true. So to use an if statement, we have to use write the if keyword and then a parenthesis for the condition of our if rather. So the condition of our if is true. If true, then what? That would mean we have to create the body or the functionalities of our if code block rather. With that, we have to right here the open and a closing bracket. Inside of this one would be the code block of our if or the logic of our if the condition has been met. Okay, so if true, then we would print the string condition is true. So in order to print that one, perhaps we will use return condition is true. Don't forget the semicolon. Oh yes, so we should use a log with the console.log and then an open and a close parenthesis. Inside of it would be the message of our log, which is the condition is true. So if true, then we would print the condition is true. Nice.